Hey guys, it's Marco and I'm going to show you how to add songs to Spotify. So first you need to download some songs or have them on your Files app right over here. So I have downloaded one and it's in my downloads. And once you have done that, you need to go to Spotify, top left, settings and privacy, and scroll down until you see local files. You need to make sure that local files is turned on. Once that is turned on, go back to your downloads and you need to move that song from any folder to this Spotify folder one. Long hold, click on move, find the Spotify folder, it's usually on my iPhone, click on Spotify and move. Now if go back to my library, I need to reset Spotify, go back to library and you will see local files and you will see the file I just added. And that's it, it's pretty simple. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're having issues, let me know what was the problem in the comments down below.